Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You land directly on a zone known for Powercell spawns. Go now and claim proximity. Move fast, clear immediate threats, and sweep obvious blue spark locations so you don't lose the spawn. Once done, pick up any nearby items that boost mobility and carry capacity so you can hold a Powercell without swapping. Make sure to avoid long fights. Preserving time increases your chance to secure the cell before others rotate in. You now have the cell, so prioritize movement and safety. Grab a vehicle or launch pad and plot a short route toward extraction. While transporting, use cover and intermittent sprinting to reduce exposure, because the cell makes you a target. Once you've created distance, call out your position to teammates and have them engage nearby threats to buy you time. Make sure to swap to a high-damage weapon only when safe, since firefights slow you and risk dropping the cell. You're at the extraction point. Interact with the terminal or drop the cell exactly where prompted and hold the action until the sequence completes. If enemies contest, buy seconds with smoke, shields, or suppressive fire so you can finish the interaction. Timing matters because interruptions can reset progress. If the cell is dropped or stolen, backtrack immediately and coordinate a pincer with teammates to recover it. Troubleshooting tip: if the interaction fails, move slightly and retry. Collision glitches sometimes block the prompt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.